So my friend, in this video I will share with you that very high quality product research method, because in the YouTube you will see lot of dropshipper will tell you that many paid tools need, you need to focus on budget for product research. But I am sharing with you very effective secret 100% proven systems that I will show you, also the proven data that how you can research products, especially on AliExpress, because AliExpress is a broad market. And from AliExpress you will see that lot of tools, paid tools, or maybe like TikTok paid tools, Data, or others, lot of tools using from the AliExpress data, and they are showing you that this is a product for you. But I am sharing with you the main broad headquarter of the product, that is AliExpress. Okay, keep in mind. So AliExpress is enough. So first of all, I will show you that why AliExpress is a very effective for the product research. And you will see that in here I will share like 6 criteria that is very high effective. And this criteria almost every 90% e-commerce stores using this criteria, but they don't share with you. First of all, the winning product criteria proven only consider product that, okay, so wait, I'm marking as yellow. Okay, so have 500 plus orders total, but less than 2 to 3 major Shopify competitors running ads. Okay, so it means that you have to find a product. It means at least 500 plus orders. So I will go to AliExpress. Okay, and in here by the criteria you can also take a screenshot of this criteria, which is very work. It will be very, I can guarantee you it will work, my friend. Just see this criteria, take a screenshot or note down in your exercise book. Okay, then just implement this and daily exercise and daily practice. Okay, and then if you find a product, just comment below and then I will check, okay, whether it's good or bad. And number 2, under $10 sourcing cost allows 3x markup. Okay, so this is the number 2 criteria, that its costing will be under $10 and you should sell like $30 or $40. So the criteria almost done. I mean for the 3 criteria, first 3. So okay, boom, this is the product. Okay, 100, yeah, almost 1000 plus sold, you can see that. And which is portable laptop sleeve, the price is $2 costing. Okay, and the next criteria is have 4.7 star review. So if we go to the product page, then we will see the full data of the product and we can match every product, right, my friend? So here is the AliExpress, this full products data and details. The price is $2 and 4.7 star reviews, which is good. And also no problem, you can find 4.5 or 4, at least 4 point plus reviews. Okay, if you don't find in 4.7, no problem. 150 reviews, 1000 plus sold. And we will see the customer reviews. Okay, this customer reviews with 150. You can see the customers commenting great quality and great for aeroplane, which is 3 months ago of the March, 19 March. That's good. And you can also find at least 6 months old. Okay, within 6 months, and then it's a good product. And it's 22 July. Okay, wow, it's very recent products. And you can see that little and cute has a little pocket for the charges too. Okay, this is the comment, and this is the comment that airplane, the customer is commenting. It means that you are already found the audience, which is the travelers, and which is for the airplane travelers, or the, yes, that's relevant. Okay, so okay, if we see the view more of others, what customers asking or saying, very comfortable, good size, yes, this is the real proof. So our 3rd criteria almost done. Okay, real proof or review. Now number 4 is solve a problem or create a strong emotional reaction. Okay, so it's, yes, it is absolutely solving problem, because it is the traveler's bag or others, like who are office going office every day or others. Then it's a emotional reaction Yes, obviously. Number 5 is are lightweight, okay, and 500 under 500 gram, cheap shipping. Because if you are found a product which is not profitable, then it's not a good product. So this is a product because it's under 500 gram and cheap shipping, lightweight, okay, and have clear demo potential for TikTok and FB ads. Yes, have clear demo potential for TikTok and FB. It means that it has already the passionate audience which they are one they have a problem that they have laptop, they needs the solution to carry the laptop with the airplane or travels or others office, no problem. And then this is a solution of okay. So in here another deep research I will do that 2 to 3 major Shopify competitor running ads, okay. This is the number first, okay. So let's go to wait, I am removing all the marking of this, okay. Okay, then you can screenshot it very easily. So go to meta at libraries, just go to meta at libraries, and you will do first of all in here the filter. It will be United States must be, keep in mind the country United States, all ads, and the keyword is shop now laptop handbag. It is the creativity for the searching from the meta ads. You have to implement some creativity and technique that which type of keyword in the ad creative or your competitor are using, okay. So I made a creative keyword that is shop now. It's very simple. Every dropshippers using their ad creative this keyword shop now, and then you will like laptop handbag, okay, for because it's a common words. And then you will go to the filter section. Yes, in here filters, then it will be activates must be, dates doesn't matter, but the media types will be like videos or all media types, okay, no problem. Then after searching, okay, I found 3-4 products video, okay, which is very good. This is the product which is very relevant related. So for example, just click the product, okay, it's a good brand. This is a relevant product, okay. Okay, she's taking the laptop on her back. This is another ad creative, okay, and this is also another related product video.
Meetings. I think if
Okay.
you don't carry a lot of things with you, the size 25 is the best choice. The leather material feels
Okay,
soft to
boom.
the touch.
So it means that we found 3 or 4 ad creative and they are spending ads budget to this types of product. So you have to find a good marketing angle, and you already found the audience which is aeroplane I mean travelers, office peoples, and who are related to the laptop lovers, okay, or using laptop or they need a lap bag, okay. So this is a good audience fundamental. So by this marketing angle you have to you need to always keep implement the marketing where people can use it, okay. So this, yeah, this is very simple. So my friend, and also you can search on Google the portable laptop sleep bag in USA, okay, because USA is very big market. From the USA we will take knowledge idea, and then we will go to the Europe market or other good dropshipping country, okay. For market research USA is very important. So in here you will see that many people selling this is Amazon, this is a public marketplace, but not any dropshipping website, very few dropshipping websites selling these products. It's AliExpress, it is also private, it is also brand. So not exactly same product, not much people selling it. That's why this is the very opportunity to sell this product, okay. So my friend, this is the video. If you have any question or you need to know anything, just comment below, I will help you. And if you need any dropshipping help, just email me, I will help you, okay. This